Hey everybody, Dr. Brady here, and today we're going to be talking about athletes. Now, every single athlete is looking for peak performance on the field and in the weight room, but more and more athletes are realizing more than ever before the importance of their work off the field in terms of their recovery. And more studies come out every year showing the benefits of being able to recover quicker and better. Now, in terms of trying to measure how well an athlete is able to recover or adapt, one of the leading metrics out there right now in terms of being able to monitor and measure that is something called heart rate variability. And heart rate variability is measuring the beat-to-beat rhythms of your heart. What it's doing is it's measuring the time difference between each beat. And what we're finding is that the greater the variance or difference between each beat, what we're going to see is a higher heart rate variability score. Now, think of a boxer when they're boxing. They need to be light on their feet, alert, adaptive, and responsive. When they start to get more methodical, slow, steady, it leaves them much more vulnerable to attack. Now, we see a low heart rate variability score. What we're seeing is that the nervous system is actually stuck in what we call a sympathetic dominant response. Now, your sympathetic nervous system has been linked towards your fight or flight response, which is more stress, inflammation, overtraining, and poor recovery. When you have a good or high heart rate variability score, it's showing that your nervous system is able to lean more towards your parasympathetic nervous system. And your parasympathetic nervous system is linked to optimal recovery, rest, relax, optimal immune function, optimal digestion, and of course, optimal sleep. So if you had to choose one of these two to be more dominant towards after a hard day of training so that you could train towards the next day, which one would you choose? So by measuring your heart rate variability score, we're going to get a pretty accurate description and accurate insight into how well your body is able to recover. So obviously, if you have a high heart rate variability score, you are going to get the maximum benefits from your day of training because you're going to be able to recover quicker, recover better than most of the other athletes, and be able to go into your next training day at 100%. All right, so how do we determine heart rate variability in our office? So the main way that we do this is through our state-of-the-art space-certified technology provided to us by CLA. And all you really need to do is you place your 3 fingers in here just like this. We'll actually turn all the lights down, make sure all cell phones are off, so we can get a truly accurate score and reading from your heart rate variability. And in a little less than 6 minutes, we'll have your heart rate variability score. And we will actually take these periodically throughout care in our office because what we've found is that chiropractic has a profound effect on heart rate variability scores and improving heart rate variability scores. Because what we're doing is we're removing stress off the central nervous system, which allows your body to better access your parasympathetic nervous system and actually calm down your sympathetic nervous system so that you can get more rest, more recovery, and more benefits from your recovery so that you can get back to training at full potential the next day.